In this video, I'm going to be going over what is inciting incident. Now we're going to jump deeper into what makes a story successful by looking at what is a story plot arc. The last video we did was about what is exposition. This video is going to be about inciting incident, which a lot of people put inciting incident in the rising action, but I'm going to do separate videos for each. Let's jump in. So inciting incident is the event that starts the main character's journey. This could be a moment, event, or a decision that thrusts the main character into the action of the story.
Please don't forget me.
This is usually an unexpected event that messes up the character's status quo in their life. This should hook the reader or viewer and allow them to root for the pursuit of the mission. Don't forget to check out my kids' books that are located on Amazon and on Kindle. These are two kids' books and they are already self published. So take a look at them. And if you have Kindle, you get them for free. So we're going to jump into an example. In the movie Iron Man, Tony Stark inciting incident is when his Humvee is attacked and he is kidnapped. Continue this example, this is when he sees his own weapons being used by the terrorist. This is also where he gets to build his first Iron Man suit to escape. And by doing this, this is what jump starts his journey. It jump starts his journey by throwing off his status quo of living young, fast, and reckless. Now his character is going to be more responsible and wants to do better in life by being a better man. If you guys are getting valuable information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. Now let's jump back into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so here's your homework assignment. Write the incident that upsets the main character's status quo. Do they try to fight it or do they want it? And here's a question of the video, guys. Why do you guys write? Comment your answer below. I'd really like to see what got you started on this writing journey. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for this entire video. If you really got amazing information from this, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so I keep pumping out this amazing content. Now, if you want to continue looking into what makes a story successful, just hit this playlist right above, or you can always watch this video right there. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to continue supporting me, just hit that QR code. Look at the books I have published already. If you want to hire me, I'm on Etsy as well. And I will see you guys on my next video. May the force be with you always.